Hey guys, what's up? So look, I never thought I'd be the type of person sitting here making videos about crypto stuff. Like, this whole scene just happened to me, gradually, you know? Started messing around with it maybe 3 years back when a buddy at work wouldn't stop talking about it, and somewhere along the way I just fell down the rabbit hole completely. Now, I can't really imagine not knowing this space, but here's the thing nobody warns you about up front. Probably 9 out of 10 services you stumble across are straight up garbage. And I don't mean like slightly disappointing garbage, I mean gone with your money, blocked your account, never existed garbage. So yeah, finding something that actually holds up has been, let's call it a journey. Get Flash BTC is what I've been running with lately, pushing about 2 months now, and honestly, the reason I keep coming back is simple. Nothing weird happens. Features work the same Tuesday as they did the Tuesday before. No fine print surprises, no sudden policy updates that conveniently change everything. That kind of boring consistency is weirdly rare in this space.
So walk through, landing on the main page. First thing you're doing is picking your package. 4 tiers sitting there, different price points, different recommended use cases. So I'm grabbing this one here. Cool. Now, visibility duration, they give you anywhere from 1 hour out to 7 days, and I'm setting 24 hours for what I'm showing you today. Okay, next part, selecting network. Yeah, good. And dropping in the target address. Okay, pulling up my wallet here, copying BTC address, switching back, pasting that in. It looks right, and then hitting Buy Flash to confirm. There we go. Payment screen pops up. Direct Send or Wallet Connect, 2 options. Direct Send is cleaner to follow along with, so that's what I'm doing. So picking the coin. And tokens are generated. Balance confirmation takes a few minutes, so just sit tight. Okay, well that's processing. Here's what actually matters to me about this platform. The blockchain verification is real, not dashboard numbers they typed in themselves. Actual on-chain deployment you can pull up independently on any public explorer. That's the thing I always check first now, every single time. And look, reason I'm this uptight about verification is I got burned bad twice before I started doing this properly. First time, I trusted a slick-looking platform without checking anything independently. Second time, I actually checked their dashboard, thought everything looked legitimate, but never verified against a public explorer. Both times, funds gone. Those were expensive lessons, and I don't particularly enjoy expensive lessons. So what I learned from all that? Scams don't look like scams anymore. They look polished, professional, sometimes more put together than the real ones. Your only actual defense is going outside their ecosystem entirely. Public blockchain explorers, independent user experiences with verifiable transaction hashes, starting small and watching behavior over time before you scale anything up. Alright guys, links below if you want to check it out yourself. Drop your experience in the comments, seriously. Honest feedback from real people is the only thing that actually cuts through all the noise out there. Catch you next time.